This is GMAT for Beginners video explaining the prep method. Here is how to prepare for the GMAT exam and how to study for the GMAT test using an intense method. Use this method for GMAT exam preparation and reach high scores with enough time and effort. The method combines GMAT exam course and GMAT self-study. Start your GMAT basics training with a good GMAT prep course. You can find such GMAT exam course below in the description of this video. So, let us explain GMAT test preparation for beginners and how to start with GMAT preparation. I assume you already know what is GMAT exam, and later we'll learn about specific GMAT test taking strategies. First, purchase 6 to 12 months of access to the GMAT prep course. Work through each GMAT course section 2 to 3 times, and work through the whole GMAT prep course 2 or 3 times. Such repetition and drilling have a powerful effect. This is a very powerful GMAT exam basic study method. You will cover everything in the GMAT course. By repetition, your mind will build neural connections sufficient to easily understand and answer GMAT exam questions. This is the first part of the powerful GMAT test preparation. GMAT exam course prep will build a solid foundation because it is taught by knowledgeable GMAT instructors. Study as hard as you can for GMAT every day. The next step in your GMAT exam prep will be self-training. Now you can do GMAT study training on your own. Obtain some quality GMAT study materials, like GMAT books for preparation on your own. Take one GMAT prep book first and stick with it. Thoroughly work through the same GMAT book 2 to 3 times too. Do not switch books, keep working on the same GMAT book. The harder you study for GMAT, the better will be the result. Then you can jump to other GMAT books. You will see a serious result after 4 to 6 months of GMAT study. You can also watch videos and podcasts about the GMAT exam. This will help you to completely immerse into GMAT test prep. For more excellent suggested GMAT prep resources, check the useful links below in the video description. Good luck with your GMAT exam preparation. Thank you and see you in the next video.